all over the place. Aww. There it went. Oh my god, that's huge. What is that? That's a carp. Thought it was a catfish, but it's not. There's another one.
That's on top of the water.
Oh my god, look at them.
Wow. That would they lay an egg in the
I
fall?
think so.
In the fall?
I don't know, there's another one.
Oh. They took off.
Because they heard us. Wow, that's interesting.
Yeah.
Never seen that before. There's one right there.
They're gonna head down there.
Let's go look.
Yeah.
Well, wait, let's see if they come back a minute. Hold on. Oh, there's more down there. Look at them. See that one down there?
That's him. On the shore, waiting there too. That's 2, 3, 4.
Oh,
That's
wow. Oh my god, that is crazy.
Huh.
That was a big fish.
That was. Oh.
Wow. God, you see those fish over there? They're spawning. They're laying their eggs and oh my god, it's crazy.
What's the snake called?
Where?
He's standing on it.
Here. Wow. Oh my gosh, that is crazy, Dee.
Where?
There's like 3 or 4 of them up there. Look at them. We thought they were beavers at first, but no, they're fish that are laying their eggs or whatever they're doing. Yeah, this is really dry. It's really sad. All these clamshells, like those are huge. Why are they right there? And there's this big piece of shirt, I think it's called, rock. But look how big these are. Whoa, I have to be careful. That's my shoe.
Let's be careful.
Look at that. Whoa. Oh my god, look at that. Look at that. That is huge. That's my hand right there. Oh, we can't take them because we're on a preserve or whatever. Oh, I think I'm going back now. Oh, this is not good. I don't think we're supposed to be over here. We better go. I don't want to fall in. Look at all these frogs. Make them jump.
It's getting softer when we get closer to it. Alright, I ain't getting closer. It's getting softer up there. My feet.
Hi guys!
That's for the water.
Look at them all.
I can park on the edge though.
Okay. There they go. There they go. Oh, look at them all. Oh, wow. Look at it. Ah! Oh, wow. It's crazy.
I can't get to them though.
This is like the only water that's in this little reservoir.
Oh, that's one. There you go. Right there.
Cool.
You can't hide.
Look at all these fish. I mean, look at them. Can you see them? Wait, where are they? Look at them. I don't know what they're doing. They must be hungry. There's like a whole bunch. Oh, I feel bad for them. We didn't bring our fishing poles either. Oh. I wonder if they're dying. Dee, do you think they're dying or something? God, there's like 30 of them right there. I don't know if you can see them. Oh, you see them? Oh my goodness. Oh, too bad we don't have fishing poles.